it's me Happy in Funland. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have a super fun video for you guys. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to decorate your boring pens and pencils into something awesome and something super cool. You all are basically going to love it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button so I can keep bringing you such amazing videos. So today's video is going to be really fun. So I can't wait to get into the video. So why are we waiting? Let's get straight into the video. Okay, so the first idea is we're going to be decorating our pencil. So for the first idea, you're going to need four circles made out of cardboard. Like these. You need 4 of them, and on any 2 of those, you need to put the pencil, draw how much space it covers, and then cut out that part. And the circle is going to be something like this, with a hole in the middle. So you need 2 circles like that, with the hole in the middle, and 2 normal circles. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin. So in this first, we're going to be painting these circles, and we're going to paint them in yellow color. Now you guys have to guess why are we going to be painting them in yellow color and why not in any other color. So let's begin. So I'm going to dip the paint and start coloring it. And I'm not using water right now over here because I'm just using one color. I'm not using all different kinds of colors. I'm just using one type of color. So I am gonna use I'm not gonna use water. And I'm gonna paint it like this. And the table is getting messy down. So if you guys want, you can put a newspaper or something to protect your table. But that's okay for me, I'm not putting it right now. I painted it in yellow and I'm just gonna let it set it aside and let it dry. Until then, I'm gonna paint the other one. Okay guys, so I'm done painting the circles with yellow color. As you can see here, they've painted nicely, firmly with yellow color. And now I'm going to tell you what to do next. You need to take a marker. Here's my marker. And you need to draw an emoji face on it. So now you guys obviously know what I'm going to be doing. So you need to draw the emoji face on the normal circle, not the circle with the cuts. You need to draw it on the normal circle. So I'm going to draw a face right here. What face should I draw? Maybe I'm just going to draw this face. Okay, so I've drawn the face. Look at this. But this is not it. There's one more part left. I'm going to take a marker of a different color. And near its mouth, I'm going to make some vomit. And this is going to be rainbow vomit. Now I'm going to take purple. And the pink color did not actually come so well on it because it's yellow and the colors are mixing up together. So there's a big difference. And then I'm going to take blue and like this, like rainbow vomit. And because the pink has not come so good, so I'm going to make another layer of it on top. Now it does look like rainbow vomit and some blushy pink cheeks like this. Yeah. And ta-da! Look at it, it looks so cute. So I'm done with this design. And now I'm going to tell you what to do next. So now as we have taken these cut circles, you need to take some white glue and you need to stick these 2 on top of each other. So I'm taking some white glue, put it all over it. like this. Put this on top of it like this. Oh my God, look at this. So it's come together now. Then we're gonna take the face and we're gonna put some glue here. And we're gonna stick the face on it. Ta-da! And lastly, we have to do the back side. Take the back circle and stick it at the last, at the back. Like this is the front and you have to stick it at the back. So put some glue right here and stick the circle. And yeah, don't forget, the yellow side should be upwards. There you go. Ta-da! And it's done. And you just need to let it dry over there. Instead of white glue, you can also use hot glue, or if you don't have it, you can use white glue. I do have hot glue, but I didn't use it this time. Ta-da! Look at this pencil top. It looks so pretty. Ta-da! Look at this. It's so pretty. A pencil top. So beautiful. I love it. Did you like the idea that I showed you? If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below that if you have any more ideas. I have lots more ideas and I can make videos on that if you guys comment down below and like this video and subscribe to my channel. So if you subscribe to my channel, I can bring some more amazing videos like this. So I hope you guys like this idea and you can make even more different designs. I just made a emoji with rainbow vomit. You can also make some different designs with emojis and stars and other shapes. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, smash that like button and give this video a thumbs up. And I'm gonna meet you guys in my next video. So till then, bye.